Welcome to the December 2024 Real Estate Marketing Vault Drop. I'm so excited to dive into this vault drop because there is so much just goodness to help you grow in your real estate business. So let's dive in with the holiday stuff first, right? It's December, 'tis the season. We did it. So we created a Letters from Santa marketing campaign. This came out really cool. Honestly, I'm so proud of it. I think it's so cute. We equipped you with an email newsletter invite, a postcard invite, a mailer letter invite, social post, a Google form template that you can actually use for yourself and connect it to Sheets or CRM. And basically it's done for you, right? So you can go ahead and collect names, email addresses, phone numbers, children's names, all that. We have the banner for that, which is editable. We also gave you letters for the children. We have one available in just like this red format, and then one that's like a low ink option. And then inside of the instructions for the marketing campaign, we gave you ideas for being a little more cost effective and saving on ink and paper costs. So those are all wrapped up inside of there. I love how this came out. It's honestly so fun. This is such a fun marketing campaign for your past clients and sphere of influence. But if you want to turn this into a full-fledged lead gen campaign, you absolutely can. And we discuss more in detail how that would work and how to, manage your budget costs inside of the written instructions for that. Continuing with holiday, we thought it would be really fun to have something for the kiddos at your open houses or meetings, or when you drop things off for clients that who have littles. I personally have 2 boys under the age of 3, and coloring is where it's at. So we have this adorable gingerbread coloring book. We thought this was in line with real estate, with the little gingerbread houses. So that's a fun activity. And then we also have these baked with love homemade cookie, or any goods, right? You can change it from cookies to muffins or donuts, whatever it is that you might be dropping off to past clients or sphere of influence or farm area as part of like your holiday campaign. So that is it for holiday. We're going to move into unlocking your potential for 2025. Right? So this month's Real Estate Marketing Vault is dedicated to making sure you have the best year of production ever. And it starts with unlocking your potential, right? So we created an entire dashboard for you to work with. There's a complete walkthrough video of exactly how to use this dashboard, how to understand it. If you're a real estate coach, team leader, or broker owner, we break through how to use that for your agents, use it with team meetings and things like that. Super, super useful. Then while you're unlocking your potential, you might want to review your year. How did it go, right? What were some wins? What were some losses? Areas for improvement? So we have a tool for that, right? My year-end business review. And then from there, we want to have some accountability, right? So we want to write a letter to our future self. So we have an entire breakdown of how the letter can be laid out, an example letter, and a template for you to write on. This is a super powerful exercise for you, bonus points if you set a date to open up the envelope down the line throughout the year, especially at the end of the first quarter. Next up is a request from a member, which is a get bleep done one sheet day planner, right? So for those who aren't a fan of having a full planner that they walk around with, not into like having pages, you just want to print and go. This is gonna be it for you, right? The get bleep done, bleeping myself. Yes, I'm not sure what YouTube's rules are for that. Next up is an entire year of email marketing. Yes, I said an entire year of email marketing. I am hype about this. So we have equipped you with a Google Sheet that has the dates for when you should send them, whether or not they were scheduled, sent, what the email topic is, what the content type is, the email subject line, which segments you should send it to, and a space to track your open rate and click rate. We thought of everything. But we didn't stop there, right? We don't just want to give you an email topic and like what it is in the email subject line. We want to empower you to actually send the emails, right? So we have created a series of email newsletter headers to inspire you for your weekly email, right? If you already have one, great. If you don't, or you want to spruce it up, we have some options for you, and we even name them. So we have the weekly reel template, we've got home scoop, we've got keeping it real estate, and we've got real X city, right? So like put your city name there, inside the market. So you can have a lot of fun with these. They come in different colors and options. Everything's fully customizable on Canva, but we didn't stop there either. We wanted to equip you with a tool that was going to help you actually get the emails done, right? Because sometimes we don't always have time for copywriting ourselves. So we created a ChatGPT weekly newsletter prompts for real estate agents. Now, we broke down things you should know, understanding the beast, how to work together with ChatGPT, but we also gave you copy and paste prompts. So the first prompt we share is a market predictions email. The second one is winter maintenance for homeowners. And the third one is best home renovations for ROI, and so on and so forth. So much value inside of here. The prompts are really, really good. Just plug and play. So literally you can take the prompts that we gave you and plug and play these email topics, right? And then you're good to go. Obviously you want to work together with ChatGPT, but we talk about that in a training, not on this video. Continuing on with our tour of the December Vault Drop is a brand new marketing campaign, right? And, you know, I am so excited about this because this does not exist anywhere else. I checked on Google, right? We're the only ones with this. And it is your Home Equity Advantage Toolkit campaign. Right? And so the idea here is that you are going to empower homeowners with understanding the value of their home, right? We're not offering free home valuations, right? We're not taking it to the 1980s, although people still do sign up for that, it still works. But we are empowering homeowners to understanding their home equity, understanding how to build wealth with their real estate. And so we have got you covered with the lead magnet, right? So we wrote everything for you. Now, of course, you want to read this and make changes as you see fit for your market, especially because we do talk about 2025 market predictions in here. But it's done for you. We did it all. And there is a worksheet in there for the homeowners to help them calculate the numbers. There's a call to action to let them know that you are there to help them calculate not just their home equity, but what their potential net profit might be, right? So lots of call to actions within the lead magnet. Now, we didn't leave you hanging with just the lead magnet. You need a way to generate the leads. So we have equipped you with a social post, a letter to send to homeowners where you'll include the QR code. We've also equipped you with a postcard to get it out there, and you can add a QR code. We equipped you with the Google form template that you can utilize and hook that up with your CRM. We have a customizable template header, right? So the header that you see here, you can add your logo to that, customize it how you see fit. We have an email so that you can deliver the goods. And we have an email so that you can promote the goods to your current list, right? If you want to uncover who might be a seller currently. So you have everything you need in this one campaign to get rocking and rolling, whether you start it now in December or you start it in January. Honestly, it's evergreen, so it can be done year round. You can do it every quarter. You can do it across multiple markets, multiple farm areas. The choice is yours, but you can have a lot of fun with it. Now, moving on to extras. So as you know, if you see at the top here, let us design it, right? So our members get to submit requests for what it is they would like to see inside of the vault. And based on those requests, we actually create everything along with what we feel is trending in the market, what is helpful for your business, etc. So we have a 9-page property fact sheet. This one is cool. We actually collaborated with a member to have this created. And so it's basically a property details booklet. And so it's fully customizable. We went with a clean, super just easy to digest, beautiful design. You can drag and drop your floor plans, additional photos in there. Very, very beautiful. Then we have a transaction coordinator checklist. We also have a local business spotlight. So we gave it to you in the form of an email newsletter template, as well as a social carousel post. And then we also have it as a Instagram or Facebook stories post. And then we got social content for you. So every month we have been dishing out these awesome carousel posts that are just super educational for your ideal client. And I don't cover all of them inside of these videos because that would take a while, but I am going to cover my top 3. So I love the first step I take when listing a home that was previously FSBO. I love how everything's broken down in here. You might think, oh, you're giving the goods away. No, there's so much more that you do. The idea is to entice interest, right? The next one is how to calculate your estimated net profit when selling your home. And you can actually use this as a CTA to get people to sign up for your Home Equity Advantage Toolkit, that new lead magnet that you have access to, right? And then the final one is 3 tips for listing your home during the holidays. This one's super pertinent to December. So there you have it. That rounds up the end of the December 2024 Real Estate Marketing Vault. I'm so excited for you to dive in. If you are not a member of the Real Estate Marketing Vault and you are watching this video, I encourage you to go check it out, myrealestatevault.com. The link should be somewhere around this video, and get signed up, right? You can cancel anytime. It's not going to break the bank cost-wise, and you will have access to so much, including fresh content every first of the month. So I will see you in the next video. As always, wishing you many happy new clients, accepted offers, and tons of closings. Happy holidays.